Yesterday, gold has created a bearish candle, and we can see that after the price movement on the Friday, a bearish breakout to the downside inside this small uptrend channel, the price has gone all the way back down to the first support level, and that was 2618.75. And what we can see here, the price movement, some kind of a bullish pin bar, but it is in the middle of this resistance and this support area, which is not giving significant importance as a bullish pin bar. So what we can expect? If we take a look here, the price is currently in the middle between this resistance and the support level. This is especially very important to see how the price behaves on the smaller time frame, because it will show you how the price will behave, will make a bullish or bearish breakout, and what is the currently the small momentum on the lower time frame for the price. Will it go to the first resistance on the daily time frame or the first support level? But we can see that on the daily time frame, this is the first support level that needs to be broken in order to continue to lose its value and going down even further, and that means around 2632. And on the upper side, if the price would like to continue to rise and reach the first resistance level, this area here around 2646 is the next one that needs to be broken. So 2646 and area around 2634 is the next level. If we take a look here on the lower time frame, we can see that 2653, it will be very important resistance level because it is a confluence of resistance, and 2647.18 is the one I have mentioned on the daily time frame, a resistance that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. On the lower price level, we can see that the area here around 2631 is very important. That needs to be broken in order to continue to lose its value further around. Now, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that 2634 I have mentioned on the daily time frame is very important support level that is currently holding the price from falling further down. So what we can expect here is the one that currently I am seeing that the price is trying to rise in value. So I'm expecting on the 4 hour time frame, the next target is around this area here around 2644 that the price is currently targeting. And the 1 hour time frame, we can see that 2641.47 needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value, reaching 2647 on the 4 hour time frame as the next target. So when the price makes a bullish breakout here, I will also mention with the traders inside the premium analysis when the target could be reached and also in which direction, because also the price could return back down to this first support level and make bearish breakout, continue to release its value going further down, and also targeting the next support level. So this is for the daily, currently in between this resistance and the support, and it is inside this range area and also inside this small uptrend channel on the daily time frame, where we can see that the price, I'm still more inclined to see based on this one, what I can see that the price could drop down again to the support level and then bounce back up. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.